Hello friends, I am Akshay. In the today's video, we are going to see how to create neumorphic animation in PowerPoint. This is the first video in the series of neumorphic animation. So first thing, what is the neumorphic animation? Neumorphic animation is a design process that uses animated and dynamic elements so that they will mimic like a real-time physical objects. In the PowerPoint, we are having the multiple shapes as well as colors. So with the help of existing shapes, we are creating the multiple effects like giving the shadows from the different directions and some combination of colors so that it will mimic like a real-time object. So for the neumorphic animation, we are using the muted and neutral colors so that it will looks like a real-time actual physical objects. So where neumorphic animation gets used. So particularly neumorphic animations are used in the user interface and user experience for designing mobile applications. Also, it is used in the website's design to look it simple as well as attractive. So for your success, you should understand the step-by-step process of designing the neumorphic animation in PowerPoint. So for that, let's jump to the computer screen where Sarika will guide you the step-by-step process of creating neumorphic animation in PowerPoint. So let's start.
First, right-click, go to Format Background, click on Color, More Colors, select Custom and create color by entering this number 231, 232, 237. Then OK. Go to Insert, select Text Box and enter the main theme of this project. Size 36 and align center. Click on the Insert tab, Shapes, select Oval, drag it. Select No Line. Size 8 cm and 8 cm. Click on Color. We will select the color we have prepared. Go to Effect, click on Shadow. We will select the outer shadow from the presents. Again, click on Color, More Color, select Custom. Create color by changing numbers here. 161, 165, 185. Then OK. Blur size 20, distance 15. We'll drag the shape right by pressing Ctrl Shift. Angle 225 and select white color. Transparency 30. Select shapes and align center and align middle. Then group. Again press Ctrl plus Shift and drag the shape to the right side. Right click, ungroup the group and delete the top shape. Select shapes, click on Effect, select Inner Shadow, click on Color, select Color, Transparency 60, Blur size 18, Distance 15. Click on Gradient Fill. Selecting Gradient Stops will change color and position. Size 6 cm and 6 cm and put this shape on the first shape. Select both shapes and group them. Press Ctrl Shift, drag the shape to the right. Right click, ungroup the group and delete the top shape. Select shape, size 3 cm and 3 cm. Double click, gradient fill. Adding gradient stops will change the color and position. Direction, liner right. Click on Effect, 3D format. Select bevel and we'll do size 0. Transparency 25. Distance 15. Click on Insert tab. Select text box. We will describe the first step of the project in short and sweet words. Select and middle. Increase size and reduce their size. Bold. Select these three shapes and text box. Will align center. Select this. Double click. Right click. Select edit text. Put one number here. Select black color and increase size. Select this shape. Double click. Right click. Select edit text. Go to insert. Click on symbol tab. Select symbols. Insert. Then close. And increase size. Select color. Select all and group. Duplicate. Take it here. Do two duplicate and place. Select all. Click Format tab. Select Distribute horizontally from Align. We'll change the numbers one by one. We'll also add symbols. I am taking this as an example. Select text box. Go to Animation tab. Add animation. More entrance effect. Select basic zoom. Then OK. Animation pane. Timing. Start with previous. Duration 1 second fast. Then OK. Select shape. Add animation. Select line. We'll take the line up so it does not go to off the screen. Timing. Start after previous. Repeat until end of slide. Go to Effect. Smooth start 0. Smooth end 0. And select Auto Reverse. Then OK. Animate the rest of the groups with Animation Painter. Select this group, delay 0.3 and enter. Third group, delay 0.6. Fourth group, delay 0.9 and enter. Now let's play the slideshow and see. So see friends, you can give a new look to your presentation by using this technique.
So just now we see that how we created the neumorphic animation with the help of some simple steps in the PowerPoint. So this is the first video. That's why we go with some simple steps and created some neumorphic shapes. So in the further videos, we are going to create some multiple shapes in the neumorphic and giving the animation to them. So if you have any doubt regarding this video, please ask in the comment box. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.